The Neo 9s, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the Neo 9, which is, I'm going to be a little bit biased. It is one of my favorite ones. I do have a Neo 9 myself. So I'm going to give you a little bit of information about this one. So this one is a 48 volt battery. It comes with a 10.5 amps, but I believe now we do have a 13 amps one as well, which is a bit more battery, give you a bit more range. Speed wise on this one, you're going to be doing about 25 miles per hour, kind of similar to the Neo 8. Fully charged with me, it does about 26, 27 sometimes on a good day. And distance wise, range wise on this one, you're looking at about doing 22 miles. Again, depending on the weight, how much weight you put in it, it will make a difference on the battery life. This is a 600 watts motor, which is nice and powerful. I do like that. The weight of the scooter is 18.8 kilos. And the max load on this scooter is about 120 kilos. It has 8.5 pneumatic tires, back and front. This one doesn't have a hard tire. I prefer it that way, to be honest. And it's got a front and back suspension as well. I love that. I love that. It does make a difference on the scooters when they have suspensions, especially for the knees. They will thank you in years to come. And the charging time is about 4 to 6 hours, I would say. Again, always look at the charger. It turns green after it's fully charged. It also has a beautiful LCD screen as the other ones, as all our Neos, where you can change the speed from 1 to 3, 1 being the slowest, 3 being the fastest.